Ladies and gentlemen, it is a bittersweet day. We are bringing 2021 Ducati V4S Streetfighter to the dealership to trade it in for my 2023 V4R. So let's go do my last ride on the Streetfighter and then my first ride on the V4R.
We're on our last ride with the Streetfighter. I'll tell you what, guys, this has been a fantastic bike. It is so much fun on the track. It's so easy to ride. I know people have said it's an animal on the track, but as far as this goes, I felt it was really easy on the track. Yes, the bar's a little wide, so you get a little weird head shake sometimes, but overall, it does street and track incredibly well. And in a way, I'm kind of sad to let it go. And obviously, I wanted to keep both, but I ain't balling like that hard. But as they progress in the years, maybe I'll add another one back, because I really do like this naked bike, this platform. It's not too aggressive, but it's not too, neutered and dull. That it still has a lot of the character that I love from Ducati. The exhaust note's going to be something on this, because I'm not getting that exhaust with the V4R anytime soon. The thing's $8 grand. Not rocking that for a minute, but the thing still sounds amazing stock. And guys, I am very stoked to get back on a Panigale, something I've been wanting to do for the past 3 or 4 years. So super happy. But yeah, we're headed to On Any Moto to finish all this stuff up, and yeah, you'll see the rest of that.
Out here to On Any Moto, bam, and this will be the last time you see this specific V4 Streetfighter on my channel. However, there are a few actually down here, so you will see another one, just not mine. Let's go see what we got. Very excited to get past this sea of bikes first. But finally, the Panigale coming home again. It's been about 4 years since we have one. Now we got the beast of one.
First ride on the brand new V4R. Sounds like nothing, and then, oh my god, does that sound different. Oh boy. Oh man, I haven't been on a bike like this in forever. I apologize for the blinding sun. The mirror vibration is about as bad as it always has been in a Ducati, so they're not as useful as the Streetfighter. I have absolutely got to get used to this riding position again, as the Streetfighter is far less aggressive, but it's still relatively familiar. But right off the bat, listen to the difference between neutral, sounds like nothing, right? And then it's got that nice deep sound. Again, it's a stock exhaust, but god, does it sound good. So now I think we got some space. Let's go a little bit. The clutch feels a little heavier, but not hard to really find the friction zone. The power, my god. It just is effortless. It is insane how quickly this motor spins up. This is my first impressions, mind you. We're not going anything crazy, we're just kind of getting a feel for, and we're in sport mode, so the throttle response is kind of tame. And I will say it is twitchy, but in the fact it just wants to go. And to me, that's how Ducati's supposed to be. Oh my god, the transition, holy crap. Yeah, freaking buddy. That quick shifter is something else. Alright, so this little spot here is always a quick little boop. Oh my god, it almost turned faster than I was expecting. I'll tell you what, the bassy nature of the low revs Like, this sounds different. It just sounds so different than the V4S, that 1103 motor. This feels like a twin. Oh my god, yeah. It's so fast. Like, you're just going from corner to corner, and it just does it so crazy well. Stay on your side of the road, awesome. Oh my god. Oil, new tires, I don't need oil. Holy crap, yeah, that's nice. I'll have to take it easy, but just it turned faster than I'm expecting. Oh, felt the traction control kick on just then. Must have hit a little something gooey. Oh my god, it's so flow, like you can just flow with this thing. I cannot wait to get the open clutch cover so I can hear that the bag of bolts rattling around in my broken Ducati. So everyone's gonna be like, dude, your Ducati's broken. Oh my god, the power. Jesus. It's crazy how smooth the power delivery is, because it is very smooth. Like, it's just a rush. Oh, another biker, nice. The brakes, oh, they're good. They got the feel of the Brembos I have grown accustomed to. I can't wait to get some stomp grips on the tank here, stop from sliding. We're gonna get it wrapped, again, satin, maybe gloss. I might want to see both. Oh man, that quick shifter's good. And again, it's out of the box. My V4S didn't have that same smoothness with the quick shifter. It actually took a little bit to get broken in. Whew. Wow. So I know people are saying that it's a lot of low end power, or no low end power, you got to be in the revs. You can use the low end, honestly, but you absolutely have another animal once you get above 6-7 grand. Like, a totally other animal. Whew. There we go, first triple digits. Oh my god, it's so easy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming along on my first ride of this beautiful 2023 Ducati V4R. I'm so stoked to finally have a Panigale back in the stable.